Hi, my name is Chuming Ho. Today I will present about Secret Recipe Training Center in Kota Damansara. Our client HQ is located in Taman Mayang in Petaling Jaya. Founded in 1997, renowned for its extensive range of fine quality government cake, over 440 cafe outlets in 10 regions as listed down here. Their vision is to create a new lifestyle culture, comprising of loyal base of food and cakes. Their mission is to provide quality of food and dessert while providing quality ingredient in moderate pricing. The value is to promise a value lifestyle at affordable prices. Modern contemporary and vibrant interior concept with comfort ambience is their concept. The purpose is to design a proposal for a training facility of secret recipe that cultivate and nurture talents at the same time for new and existing staff from outlet, factory, and in-house. In-house means is the current site. What is the training facility? To ensure that staff get the best environment to master practical skills necessary for obtaining industry standard job. As you can see here, the site is surrounded by industrial area. Facade is facing to north so that the sun is mostly directed on the side of the building. Currently, the office is used as storage because the warehouse is currently full. Most but not all of cooking academy in Malaysia is practicing enclosed classes to avoid people to learn outside together. As you can see in the ABC Academy in Malaysia, in the social space in the first picture, people cannot see the training kitchen or classroom. The second picture shows all faculty is enclosed and separated, while in the third picture, social space is only with few magazines that lack of studies, information or resources. The final picture shows only have a small glass that can see the training kitchen. For the Silver Chef Academy in Malaysia, for the first picture, reception counter is not even visible in the entrance that lead guests clueless of the building. Training kitchen is not only filled with few working table that lack of tools for students to learn based on standard industry environment as what I mentioned on earlier slides. What is training facility supposed to be? For the study of Lim Kok Wing University, the plaza is a hall for multipurpose activity spaces and eatery as well. But people tend to social with friends there that do not have any intention to ask stranger for what information that they saw, that what they do back in the class. For example, their faculty is all separated instead of opening for all majors. If it is open, let's say, people can inspire and gain idea to apply on their own major, like product design, for example, can get idea to make a presentation board from graphic design student. So the conclusion is, the study from different educational space show that why connected spaces with spaces is important so that student can track performance and optimize the resources, the support, and the training needed in different areas. Why? Because teacher or tutor is not the only one enabling information to trainee or student. The abstract art show a connection from one main focal point connected to all points where reflected to the space organization. It is inspired by the mission and vision of Secret Recipe, which is quality. Because quality requires focus and persistency as shown in the art. All staff from outlet, factory, and in-house that we have executive for using the first timetable from Monday to Friday, while kitchen crew and factory crew is for using the second timetable from Wednesday and Thursday. The outsider visitor might be a potential franchisee, and visitor trainee can be anyone that are interested in the course, which are using the second timetable in Friday and Saturday. For class program for executive, we have briefing and theory and soft skills, while kitchen crew and factory crew and visitor trainee have practical skills program is for practice pastry and culinary and barista, while classroom is to brief rules and regulation, and theory, class, and soft skills only for staff. For executive staff and visitor, or all other occupant have to register in or out in reception counter. Then staff will go work accordingly to the space. Visitor will attend tour by staff leading. New and existing staff or visitor trainee will attend theory class before class break. Then we'll change to proper attire before practical class. After that, they will have self-training or self-practice in resource center or any other spaces. Few color palette have selected for the interior here. I remain the identity of secret recipe by putting rattan furniture and rattan lighting with vibrant interior combining of modern contemporary. For the first ground floor plan, focusing on the reception counter. As from the study of Silver Chef Academy problem, I have learned that the reception counter have to be on the first space to see when entering to the building for user-friendly, for occupant, especially guests or visitor. For the second spaces is to focus on the cafe. That cafe will be on the opposite of the reception counter, where also is a space for training and practice for barista trainee. There is also enough coffee machine for 4 barista, including the trainee as planned. To focus on the resource center, again, from the problem studies, trainee can track performance through opening training center to get inspired and learning purposes as they can see everything from resource center here. There are also computer for online resource provided, and everyone can socialize there and share knowledge with each other here. For the kitchen, we'll use by pastry and culinary practical classes that everyone will face at tutor while cooking together. Sometimes guest tutors are invited to show or teach in there. This is training kitchen island with standard height. It is prepared for 1 trainee each and managing for their own island accordingly to train them to be responsibility for their own island. For the exhaust pipe, it is start from small pipe, then to sub pipe, and then go to the main pipe. From the main pipe to the side of the building. For the smells cannot pass through in the orange labeling that are protected fully, while smells can go through partially from the cabinet partition, while most smoke and oil still in control by semi-enclosure and exhaust hood system. There is enclosed by glass partially and open partially, individually and physically. Why? Because the smell can help to promote secret recipe food to anyone that smell it to increase of future customer. For the R&D kitchen, storage is shared between training kitchen and R&D kitchen. In here is for R&D staff to test new product, where is private spaces, provided kitchen tools including pastry and culinary, as well as 2 exhaust hood system. For the mezzanine floor, as you can see, both office and R&D center is separated by meeting room as a partition in the middle, while setting both spaces equally important. Pastry is sharing by both departments as well. So this is how executive staff busy doing their work in the visual, shown with modern contemporary design. This is the exterior view of the training center that designed as a feature or secrecy entrance in any outlet we see outside. It is also designed to suit back to the profile of the building by the shape and color. The model is used as a study visual, lies the wall volume and building profile. As we can see, the wall in the front is lower, while the wall in the back is higher. That is 8,500, for example, in the section. Thank you.